How to change Yahoo Mail password. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can change your Yahoo Mail's password, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to basically change your Yahoo Mail password, all you have to do is simply go ahead and first of all make sure to launch the Yahoo Mail application here, and then you're going to see this type of interface where you want to simply make sure that you're signed into the account. Now let's say you want to change the password for your Yahoo account. It is very simple. After you launch the app and log into the account, tap the profile icon from the top left, then just go to settings. Once you go to settings, go to manage accounts from the very top, and then right over there you'll be able to find this option known as account info. You want to simply make sure to tap the account info button as you can find it. Once you tap on the account info button, you will see this type of interface as you'd be able to see it, where you have to simply go to security settings and then also make sure to basically confirm your identity. Now once you've done this process, what you want to do is you'll see this type of interface where again you need to scroll down. Here you can see password and then change password. So tap the change password option. It will ask you to simply enter the new password that you want to use. Tap on the continue button to save the changes, and your Yahoo Mail password will get successfully changed. This way you can change the Yahoo Mail password. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.